Hello, this is Angela Johnstone, Program Director with Special Education for Spokane Public Schools. As you can see, I am in the SEEDoc system for Spokane Public Schools, IEP construction. And in here is a welcome back, and there are updates in the SEEDoc system. So we're going to click here and you can see the form. So over break, Carmen Mercer has been very busy in doing updates and also creating specific forms that have been requested to assist in the work that we do for our families. And the first is there are 3 forms specifically that I will be highlighting. And the first form is the non-annual IEP. This is a signature page that will be generated when you're meeting to revise an IEP, but not having a complete annual IEP. This is the alternative to using the addendum form, which only should be used when the IEP team is not meeting. And I will actually demonstrate each of these forms where to find them exactly in the SEEDoc system. The next 2 are the case management change letter and the related services change letter. These are the letters to generate when there will be a change in case managers and or related services personnel assigned to work with students in the school system. This is a communication guidance for our families, parents, guardians, to keep them informed of changes that are occurring within the school system. And I think this will help to keep that communication flowing. The final is text edits to existing pages. These then include edits to the IEP signature page, the IEP grid, the checklist, the addendum, and the documentation notification. So please take some time in getting into the system, looking over the welcome back of the changes in SEEDoc, and then checking out the form specifically. And so I will be going there now. You would log into your system. Your students will pop up in My Student tab, or you can search for students in the search mechanism. When your student then pops up, you will go and scroll to the bottom and select your student and or students, and then move your cursor to the second tab bar to the activity log, and clicking on the down arrow, scroll to the bottom to the non-annual IEP, and then go back up and hit the Create PDF tab. And here is what the form then looks like. It is the non-annual IEP team signature form. Majority of the information is pre-populated into the form. There are a few sections that are not, so please add that information in. Have the family and participants to the IEP meeting sign that they participated. Scrolling back to the student page, then again, once again, select your student, go up to the activity log, and now we're going to find the case management letter and create the PDF. This letter is the exact same letter or format that is used for the related service provider introducing the change to the parent and guardian. It will then be pre-populated with the current date, the parent information, along with a short script that you will handwrite and or place in there the name of the new case manager, and it will pre-populate based on your ID that you've entered into the system. And that should help with our communication to our family of any changes that are coming up in those that are serving our students. If you have further questions or concerns, please contact your special education administrator for further assistance. Thank you for your time.